Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to have so much fun drawing something super cool. Can you guess what it is? It's a playground slider. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the sliding part. Start with a big, curvy line. This will be the fun slide where you can swoosh down. Whee! Now, let's add the railings so everyone can hold on tight when they slide. 2 small lines on each side, going down like this. Great job! Now, let's draw the ladder so we can climb up the slide. First, draw 2 straight lines going up. Then, connect them with small, straight lines for the steps. Step, 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 step. Wow, look at that! We've drawn our playground slide. Now, let's make it look even better. To make our artwork pop, we're going to outline the whole drawing to make it bold and sharp. Ready? Let's go over the slide and the ladder once more with the marker. Look how nicely our slider is working. It looks amazing already, but now, it's time for the most fun part.
Yay!
Do you know what it is? That's right. Coloring time. We're going to use rainbow colors today. Let's start. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! Look at our amazing playground slider. We did such a great job today. Thanks for drawing and coloring with me. Remember to keep practicing and have fun with your art. Don't forget to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.